In 2014, Gedebage encountered several challenges, including traffic congestion, poor soil-bearing capacity, low economic level, and flooding. Summarecon Bandung is a township project that transforms Gedebage by improving water engineering through the constructions of 6 lakes, development of 27 hectares of parks, and installations of a macro drainage system for flood control. To improve bearing soil capacity, Summarecon Bandung employed prefabricated vertical and horizontal drains technology without causing environmental impact. Traffic congestion in Gedebage has been addressed through road widening, Gedebage toll gate, public bus, local train, and Jakarta-Bandung high-speed train. To improve Gedebage's economy, Summarecon hired locals by creating more than 500 jobs. Preserving the habitats of Javan pond herons and cattle egrets are also a priority for Summarecon Bandung. Almost 5,000 tons of organic waste is processed by Summarecon Bandung using black soldiers' larvae, and more than 100 tons of plastics were donated to the Suchi Foundation. Since 2018, the water treatment plant had been supplying 800 million liter water. Summarecon Bandung runs 2 nurseries on a 1-hectare area for growing plants, planting 20,000 new trees, and caring for existing ones. The amenities such as parks, lakes, and bike facilities were built to improve recreation and quality of life. Commercial facilities like Summarecon Mall Bandung and Pasar Modern Sinpasa are established for public convenience. Summarecon Bandung support Sustainable Development Goals initiatives by installing electric vehicle chargers and reducing air conditioner use by designing breathable houses. All these initiatives are undertaken to align with the government's mission in tackling environmental issues. Our goal is to be a lifelong companion in building communities with a sustainable living environment, reflecting Gedebage's current direction.